You know that moment when we hand your suitcase to the airline agent, get your little claim ticket, and walk away thinking everything's good. Yeah, well, that is when the real journey begins for your luggage. And trust me, what happens behind those rubber curtains at check-in is something most travelers never think about. Because the second your bag disappears, it enters a world of conveyor belts, cargo holds, and handlers who have seen it all. In 2023 alone, over 36 million bags were mishandled worldwide. That is delayed, damaged, or just plain lost. And while airlines have gotten better at tracking, the mistakes that lead to these disasters, those are still happening every single day. Today, I'm sharing 15 luggage mistakes to avoid when flying in 2025. And honestly, these tips could save you both money and a whole lot of stress on your next trip. Plus, I will share the one mindset shift that changes everything about how you pack. Let us get into it. Mistake 1. Choosing the wrong type of bag. Here is something most people do not think about. That soft duffel bag with the cute side pockets and tangling straps is a nightmare for baggage systems. I am not trying to be dramatic here, but those loose straps get caught in machinery. Zippers on outer pockets jam, and when that happens, your bag gets pulled aside, flagged for inspection, or worse, left behind entirely. A baggage handler once said it perfectly in one of these comment sections. If your bag has stuff hanging off it, I already do not like it. And you know what? I get it. These folks are lifting hundreds of bags every single day. So what works? A hard-shell suitcase. Now before you jump in the comments saying hard shells crack, yes they can if they are cheap. But a good polycarbonate case with smooth lines and no flappy bits, that is your best bet. It slides through the system, protects your stuff when it inevitably gets dropped, and does not give the machinery anything to grab onto. Mistake 2. Leaving old tags and stickers on. This one sounds so simple, but it causes more problems than you would think. Every time you fly, you get a new baggage tag with a barcode. That barcode tells the system exactly where your bag needs to go. But if you have got old tags from last summer's trip still stuck to your suitcase, the scanner might pick up the wrong one, and suddenly your bag is headed to Dallas when you were going to Denver. It happens more than airlines admit, so before you even leave the house, strip everything off. Every old tag, every old sticker, clean slate. Your bag should only be screaming one thing: this flight, this destination, today. Mistake 3. Making your bag stand out the wrong way. Now, you need your bag to be identifiable, but how you do it matters. Skip the ribbon tied to the handle. Baggage handlers have admitted those get snagged, and sometimes they actually grab bags by those straps just because it makes them easier to toss. Yikes! So what actually works? Something bold, flat, and unmistakable. I have seen people use giant stickers, duct tape in wild patterns, even custom luggage wraps with their dog's face on it. One traveler said their bright yellow lightning bolt across the front meant nobody ever grabbed their bag by mistake. Make it loud, make it yours, but keep it flat so it does not snag on anything. Not disguising expensive luggage. If your suitcase looks like it belongs in a 5-star hotel lobby, it is going to attract attention, and not the good kind. Nice bags signal that maybe, just maybe, there is something valuable inside. A luggage cover can change that instantly. A simple stretchy sleeve turns your fancy roller into something that looks like it came from a lost and found bin. Perfect. You also protect it from mystery grease, forklift scuffs, and all the delightful things your bag encounters on its journey. Now, some people swear by plastic wrap, but here is the thing. Multiple baggage handlers have said they actually hate plastic-wrapped bags because when the wheels get stuck, they cannot roll it. They have to drag it. And that is when your bag really takes a beating. Mistake 5. Using the wrong locks. You lock your suitcase thinking it will keep your stuff safe. But here is what most people do not know. If your bag gets flagged for inspection, and your lock is not TSA approved, they do not ask permission. They just cut it, snip, gone. And sometimes they will zip-tie your bag shut, like it just came out of an evidence locker. TSA-approved locks have a tiny red diamond on the front. That symbol means agents can open it with their master key, inspect everything, then relock it without destroying anything. Look for brands like Travelmore or Masterlock. Most cost under $10. Now, will it stop a professional thief? No, but it will stop your zipper from being ripped open and your stuff spilling everywhere. Mistake 6. Not taking a photo before you zip. Think you will remember everything you packed? You will not. Nobody plans to lose their luggage. But when it happens, the airline's first question is always, can you describe what was inside? And that is when most people freeze. So here is what you do. Before you zip that bag shut, lay everything out and snap a quick photo. That is it. If your bag goes missing or something gets stolen, that photo becomes your best evidence. Insurance companies love this because it removes all the guesswork. One traveler said their refund went through in days, simply because they had a photo and a basic item list. No arguments, no delay. 10 seconds now could save you weeks of frustration later. Mistake 7. Checking items you cannot afford to lose. This should be obvious, but every single day, people check things that they absolutely should not. Jewelry, electronics, passports, medications, even cash. And everyday bags get delayed, damaged, or disappear. The cargo hold is no place for valuables. Airlines are only liable for so much, and most will not cover high-value items at all. The rule is simple. If losing it would ruin your trip, do not check it. Keep it with you in your personal item always. And if you are thinking, but I wrapped it really well, just wait until you hear about the next mistake. Mistake 8. Not leak-proofing your liquids. That fancy sunscreen, the glass bottle of cologne, the thick body lotion you swore you would need. Now imagine all of them exploding across your clothes, soaking into your shoes, seeping through every zipper pouch. It happens all the time. Cabin pressure shifts, bags get flipped, lids pop off. One traveler packed a beautiful glass bottle of duty-free perfume, only to unzip their suitcase and get hit with the smell of a luxury fragrance bomb. Every piece of clothing reeked. So, here is the move. Seal every liquid, Ziploc bags, leak-proof travel bottles, and for anything high risk, double bag it. Stick it in the center of your suitcase, cushioned by clothes, away from anything fragile. You do not need to bubble wrap your entire toiletry kit, but you do need to respect the physics. Checked luggage gets thrown around, and your shampoo bottle does not stand a chance unless it is sealed, like it is heading to space. Mistake 9. Packing prohibited items without checking. TSA does not just care about your carry-on. Checked luggage has its own set of banned items, and breaking the rules can get your bag delayed, flagged, or confiscated. Things like fireworks, fuel canisters, lithium batteries, pepper spray, absolute no-go. Even something innocent like a camping stove or a souvenir knife can trigger a full inspection. Here is the part most people miss. TSA does not explain this at the airport. You are expected to check before you pack. Thankfully, they made it easy. Just go to TSA.gov and search for "What can I bring?" Type in anything, and it tells you instantly whether it is allowed. And if you are flying internationally, double-check with that country's rules too. Mistake 10. Not packing backup clothes in your carry-on. You check your bag, you board the plane, you land, and your suitcase does not. It happens way more than airlines admit. Sometimes it is delayed. Other times it is off on its own adventure. Either way, you do not want to be stuck in the same clothes for the next 24 hours. Pack one full change of clothes in your carry-on. Shirt, underwear, socks, maybe even something for sleeping. If you are traveling with kids or grandkids, split their stuff between bags. One mom said when her son's bag went missing, they were fine because she and her husband had each packed a full outfit for him in their own suitcases. Such a small thing, but it turns a lost bag disaster into just a mild inconvenience. Mistake 11. Checking your bag too early or too late. Here is where it gets interesting, because there is actually some debate about this. Everyone says get to the airport early, and they are right. But when it comes to checking your bag, timing matters more than you think. Check it too early, and it sits unsupervised for hours. More time in the system means more chances to get misplaced, mishandled, or opened. Baggage handlers have even shared this online. The first bags checked are usually loaded first, then sometimes pulled off if weight needs adjusting. But check it too late, and you risk missing your flight or having your bag not make it on board. So, what is the sweet spot? About 60 to 90 minutes before your flight, depending on your airport. It is long enough that your bag gets processed and loaded, but short enough that it spends less time wandering around unsupervised. Check your specific airline's cutoff times, though, because some require check-in the full hour before departure. Mistake 12. Not tracking your luggage yourself. Once your bag disappears, you are flying blind unless you track it yourself. Most major airlines now let you follow your bag in real time through their apps. Delta, United, American. They all show when your luggage is scanned, loaded, and even which carousel it will show up on. It is free and surprisingly accurate. But if you want full peace of mind, supporting device like an Apple AirTag or Samsung Smart Tag into your bag. These tiny GPS tags sync with your phone and show you exactly where your suitcase is, even if the airline cannot. And I cannot stress enough how many stories there are of passengers whose bags went missing. The airline had no clue where it was, but the passenger pulled up their phone, showed them the exact location, and the bag was found within minutes. Just tuck the tag under a liner or inside a zippered pouch. It is small, it is legal, and it could save you from a total bag mystery. Not having backup inside your bag. Ever seen bags circling the carousel with no tags and nobody claiming them? Happens every day. Maybe the tag got soaked in the rain. Maybe it tore off in the cargo hold. Either way, it is just a mystery bag now. That is why you always need backup identification inside your suitcase. Print a simple info card at home. Your full name, phone number, email, and hotel or final destination. Stick it inside the lid or slip it into a plastic luggage tag attached to an interior zipper. Out of sight, but ready when it matters. Your name alone might not be enough, but a working phone number, clearly printed, that is what gets your bag back without a week of missing luggage reports. Mistake 14. Not inspecting special items immediately. If you are traveling with something special, wheelchairs, medical devices, sports equipment, musical instruments, inspect it the second you grab it off the carousel. Do not wait until you get to the hotel, because once you leave the airport, filing a damage claim becomes a lot harder. One passenger said his folding wheelchair frame cracked mid-flight, but because he inspected it on the spot, the airline covered the cost to replace it immediately. Another opened his guitar case right there at baggage claim, found a cracked neck, and got a full reimbursement only because he reported it before walking out that sliding door. So whatever special item you are flying with, take 2 minutes to check it right there. Do not wait. At that point, it is your word against theirs. Mistake 15. Not packing, like your bag is going into battle. Here is the game-changing mindset I mentioned at the beginning. Baggage handlers have seen it all, and they have got opinions, real ones. If it has 4 wheels, we roll it. If it is not, we throw it. Soft bags with side handles get grabbed like deadlifts. They do not last long. Plastic wrap makes bags slippery. We hate it. We drag it. Bags packed to the absolute max explode on the belt, and we are scooping up people's underwear like confetti. What does that tell you? Your best bet is not to baby your bag. It is to build it like it is going into battle. Choose the right materials. Reinforce fragile items. Do not pack at the seams. Use packing cubes. And never, ever trust an outer zipper pocket with anything important. Because once that bag leaves your hands, it enters a world of steel rollers, concrete, forklifts, and very tired people working in the rain. Pack like your suitcase has to fight its way back to you. Because sometimes it does. Let us wrap up. So, there you have it. 15 luggage mistakes to avoid when flying in 2025. Some are small habits. Some are total game changers. But together they take a process that feels chaotic and make it a whole lot smoother. And honestly, these simple changes really can save you both money and stress on your travels. You do not need insider access to win and check luggage. You just need better habits than the person in line behind you, taping their suitcase shut with masking tape. If this video helped you feel more confident about your next trip, I would love to hear about it in the comments. What is your biggest luggage worry? Or better yet, what is your worst baggage disaster story? We have all got one. Drop it below. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical travel tips. Safe travels, and here is to your next flight landing with your luggage clean, closed, and exactly where it is supposed to be.